Hi, this is one of my Ford Transit minibus, which the fuel pump failed. So I thought of scrap it, and then I thought like, okay, why not learn something out of it? So I thought of just try to remove the fuel pump. But at the end, I realized that is a hell of a lot of job to do. So I gave up the idea and I scrapped it at the end. So there was a lot of parts are taken off, and the front bumper and all that has to be taken off. All the fan belt and everything has to come off, as you see in the picture, the video. So that even the end bit is broken, you see, probably because when I attempt to take the screw for one of those, I think, yeah, that bit here, so that's broken. And I started continues to to take part by part. Originally I was record this video to keep a record so that I can watch it, and then it will help me to put it back on back in when I am doing it. So then I thought like, okay, why not I upload it to YouTube so others can benefit out of it. So rather doing wrong judgment, and then is ideally we can go to a mechanic and then let them do the job. But end of the day is a huge money, thousands of pounds they will asking. At least you will understand why they're asking such the large amount for this kind of job. But anyway, for this vehicle I don't mind, like I just scrap it anyway. So I just at least got the idea. How does it work? As I'm new and I don't know nothing about the much of the mechanism, I thought, okay, just strip it down and see what's what. And then so when I just started taking off, I got to know the fuel pump, the water pump. I take the part as well separately, and all the clips and this and that. As you can see on the video, I take it off, and then meanwhile I was searching for YouTube like how to remove the fuel pump as well. But however, there is no much information. I didn't find it. But I also inquired to a few people who I know that they were saying that when I was caught in it, the price wise, and then they were saying that the front bumper and all that has to come off. The reason why is to access the fuel pump, you have to hold the part whichever is in the way. So whatever stuck in here and there, you have to take everything out. And in order to do that, you have to take the radiator, the front fan, and everything really. So so that's how you can access to the fuel pump. So you can unbolt it, and then and also some say even like replace. It's to involve